Hey, Datta this side and just recording quick video here like regarding my high performance Facebook ad and funnel workshop. So I just want to tell you here कि how exactly आप unlimited customer, unlimited lead पा सकते हो and you no need to take my word. You see here like I'm doing like upcoming update देख सकते हैं upcoming live practical interactive workshop में कर रहा हूँ वहाँ पे and you see here like generate the leads and high quality lead and sales with the proven method in live workshop. There are more than 395 shares, 107 comments and other things are there. The most important you can see here जो मैं प्रेबैक के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, like you see here Alok Kumar highly recommended for people who do not get much of results. Like if you see here like आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं Alok Kumar की highly recommended who do not know much about FB targeting, creating value ladder, laser targeting, getting customer, and there are hundreds of studies. Like I attended GPA, I attended the best webinar, it's best webinar ever attended, it worth more than lakh. Guys, I'm seeing Abhijit Karla, like such an awesome seminar attended today, highly recommended seminar who want to get business flourish, Parul, and guys you see here like thanks training worth more value we paid for. यहाँ पे देख सकते हो अजय खंडेलवाल, it's was amazing session and it really worth attend webinar. Like see guys, whatever you are going to pay you will be getting 10 time value if you are really serious about and taking massive action. And not only that one, you can see here I learned a lot of things which required everyone for growth of business and life 2020 December session. And there are so many guys here. Seema Patel, so nominal charges. If someone due to any reason cannot attend this session, money back and can attend the next seminar. I assume session will be amazing, right? You see here like there are so many studies like thank you for wonderful session. I learned many new techniques I was missing along the hope I do the greater session. There are so many things guys you can see and like if you are somebody looking for like let me just share one couple of them. There are so many. See Neeraj Poddar, wow, an eye-opening session with Datta Dule. I come to know about leakage in Facebook campaign. Now definitely we will make better like result oriented campaign, funnel strategies must attended. So dosto, basically if you are looking for any kind of these results in your business, in your life, I want to tell you one thing here guys. Click on the button below right now, register, don't think too much. This is going to be really mind blowing and do not take my word. There are more than 8,000 people have attended this workshop and you will be getting 10 time value guys. Okay guys, thank you very much. See you other side. Click on the button below. I'm not going to charge you more than one pizza and you will be getting amazing beautiful value. धन्यवाद. मिलते हैं live.